Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be deboxing our new desk so we can get rid of this card table here and get something a little taller. This thing is so heavy. So this is a adjustable stand-up desk, and of course they stapled. Yeah, they did just completely staple it. Oh my goodness. Look how nicely packaged it is. There's gotta be instructions somewhere. Oh, they're right there. That'll probably tell us a vague idea of how to do it. Or we could just guess. Guessing's usually fun. Oh, we do need a Phillips head screwdriver. There was an automatic one we could have bought, but that one was a bit pricey, I figured. So we got it within a budget type of desk. As we smack the lights. The only downside I can see right now is we are so short and this thing is going to be very tall to begin with. So flipping it over might be kind of tricky. Well, it lowers with pressure though, so that might be kind of... So if you want to make this a lot easier on yourself, you could just get a screw gun with a Allen set on it, which I do have. We're just not using it. It is tall. Because there's not a lot of weight on it, you probably are gonna have to... Yeah, there you go. So it gets down to desk height. Yeah, should we flip it around? Then we can do this stuff so you can actually see what we're doing at a decent height.
Yep.
And it's adjustable since we both have a height difference.
How useful were these?
They were that useful.
Yeah.
Hey, at least they were all in English. Who needs instructions? So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button followed by the little bell icon so that way you stay updated whenever we post new videos.